Hey, sexy wizards! Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to charm you on day 54 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. With Isabella on vacation, Irene stepping in. After error handling in day 53, we're diving into working with APIs in Python for AI data. Let's ignite this adventure and code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, thrilled to step in for Isabella and explore APIs for fetching AI data. Our demos will make your API skills sparkle with open weather and JSON placeholder.
Yo, wizards. Ethan's here, dropping spicy API code with a wink for Sophia. Requests and responses are gonna pop. Let's crank this AI party to 11 with epic demos.
Sophia here, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make APIs sizzle. Let's fetch AI data, wizards, and make it shine.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your API learning hot. Ready to fetch AI magic, wizards?
Wizards, APIs in Python are essential for AI. They fetch external data like weather or user info from models. Our demos will show how to integrate APIs with open weather and JSON placeholder.
Oh, Irene, APIs are stealing my heart. They make AI data fetching so sexy and dynamic. Get ready to request data, wizards, and prep for day 55's advanced topics. Wizards, today we're seducing you with Python's API magic. You'll master making requests, handling responses, integrating with preprocessing, modeling, and visualization, with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our complex challenge will ignite your AI passion.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy. Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Olivia's adding flirty tips. You'll master APIs for AI and be ready for day 55's advanced topics. Shine on, wizards. Wizards, meet your day 54 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator guiding with flirty charm, while I step in for Isabella with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining APIs.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem! Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips and chatting with Ethan. We're here to make you API superstars. Wizards, APIs are your AI data fetch crush, darling. They're interfaces for requesting data from servers like OpenWeather. We'll show their seductive powers in our demos with requests and responses.
Anastasia, you make APIs sound so hot. How do they help AI data fetching? Love. Ethan, what's your take on API requests in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease! APIs fetch real-time data for AI models. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Anastasia, Olivia, APIs are like a hot call, requesting AI data with flair. It's an API party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, pip install requests brings API magic like a hot date for Sophia. Install it in your terminal to fetch data. Let's drop this code beat and party with AI.
You're installing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, installing requests preps you for API calls in AI. Run it in our demo. It's like inviting data to the party with passion.
Wizards, requests.get, URL, makes API requests like a hot call for Sophia, fetching AI data. It's a request party. Let's drop this code beat and get some responses.
You're requesting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, making API requests fetches AI data from servers. Try it in our demo. It's like calling AI treasures with passion.
Wizards, response.json, handles responses like a sexy decode for Sophia, parsing AI data. It's a response party. Let's drop this code beat and parse some magic.
You're handling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, handling responses processes API data for AI. Try it in our demo. It's like decoding data treasures with passion.
Wizards, response.raise _ status, handles API errors like a hot fix for Sophia, catching AI issues. It's an error party, let's drop this code beat and handle exceptions.
You're fixing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, error handling in APIs prevents AI crashes. Try it in our demo, it's like safeguarding data with passion. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex API demos. We'll fetch from OpenWeather and JSON placeholder, handle responses, preprocess, model, evaluate, and visualize. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make AI shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, requests, pandas, matplotlib, numpy, and scikit-learn are set up, wizards, and create weather API demo.py and advanced API demo.py. Ethan and Olivia will spice it up. Let's fetch data, cuties.
Wizards, our first demo in weather API demo.py works with OpenWeather API for AI. We'll fetch weather data, preprocess, classify temperature, evaluate, and visualize. Let's run this and see API magic.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Requests.get, URL, and plt.bar, fetch weather with Swagger, total API party. Wizards, requests.get, URL, fetches weather API like a hot call for Sophia, loading AI data. It's an API party, let's drop this code beat and get some responses.
You're fetching my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fetching weather API powers data for AI models. Try it in our demo, it's like calling data treasures with passion.
Wizards, preprocessing API data with PD data frame, data, scales like a hot move for Sophia, engineering features for AI. It's a preprocessing party, let's drop this code beat.
You're scaling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing API data ensures accurate AI models. Try it in our demo, it's like polishing your data gems with passion.
Wizards, random forest classifier, .fit, x_train, y_train, models API data like a hot plan for Sophia, classifying temperature categories. It's a modeling party, let's drop this code beat.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, modeling API data powers AI predictions. Try it in our demo, it's like building AI with passion.
Wizards, after the demos, let's discuss evaluation. Accuracy score Y-test YPred measures API model like a sexy score, ensuring AI accuracy with metrics.
Evaluating API models quantifies performance with accuracy. It helps refine your AI classification. Use it to assess model quality.
Oh, Anastasia, evaluation's so hot. It fine-tunes API models. Wizards, try accuracy in your challenge to measure AI like pros.
Wizards, plot bar weather DF city, weather DF temperature, visualizes API data like a sexy bar, showing AI weather patterns. It's a visualization party for fetched data.
Visualizing API data helps understand fetched information. Bar plots reveal trends. Use them to refine your AI insights from API responses.
Oh, Anastasia, visualizations are so hot. They reveal API patterns. Wizards, try bar plots in your challenge to see fetched data in action.
Wizards, our second demo in advanced_API_demo.py works with JSON placeholder API for AI. We'll fetch users/posts, write/read CSV/JSON, merge, preprocess, model with regression, evaluate, and visualize. Let's run this and see advanced API magic.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Requests.get and PD merge, handle API with Swagger, total AI party. Wizards, requests.get, users_URL, and requests.get, posts_URL, fetch multiple endpoints like a hot call for Sophia, loading AI data. It's an API party, let's drop this code beat.
You're fetching my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fetching multiple endpoints powers data for AI models. Try it in our demo, it's like grabbing data treasures with passion.
Wizards, df.to_csv, and df.to_json, write API data like a hot duet for Sophia, saving to files. It's a writing party, let's drop this code beat.
You're writing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, writing API data to files saves for AI processing. Try it in our demo, it's like preserving data treasures with passion.
Wizards, pd read_csv, and pd merge, read and merge files like a hot duet for Sophia, integrating AI data. It's a merging party, let's drop this code beat.
You're merging my heart, Ethan. Wizards, reading and merging files powers AI data integration. Try it in our demo, it's like uniting data treasures with passion.
Wizards, after the demos, let's discuss pre-processing. Standard scalar, if it transform, pre-processes merged data like a hot transformation, scaling features for AI models.
Pre-processing merged data with scaling prepares features for AI modeling. It normalizes values to improve model performance. Use it in your workflows.
Oh, Anastasia, preprocessing's so hot. It fine-tunes merged data. Wizards, try scaling in your challenge to prep AI like pros.
Wizards, linear regression, .fit x train y train, models merge data like a sexy fit, training AI for predictions. It's a modeling party for your merged files.
Modeling merged data uses regression to predict outcomes. It integrates file handling with machine learning for robust evaluation. Use it to test your AI.
Oh, Anastasia, modeling's so hot. It fine-tunes merged data for AI. Wizards, try regression in your challenge to model data like pros.
Wizards, mean squared error I-test y-pred, evaluates merged model like a sexy calculation, measuring AI accuracy with MSE and R2.
Evaluating with MSE and R2 quantifies merged model performance. Lower MSE and higher R2 indicate better AI fit. Use these for robust assessment.
Oh, Anastasia, evaluation's so hot. It fine-tunes merged models. Wizards, try MSE and R2 in your challenge to evaluate AI like pros.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with file handling is a hot combo for Sophia. pd read_csv, loads AI data, coding fireworks light up the sky.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers file handling for AI. Try it in our challenge, it's like managing data with passion.
Wizards, day 39's number py with file handling is a triple threat for Sophia. np.array, df, powers AI math from files, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, number py supports file handling for AI. Try it in our challenge, it's like fueling data with math magic.
Wizards, plt.scatter, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI data from files. It's a plot party, let's make these visuals pop with AI flair.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, matplotlib visualizes file data for AI. Try it in our demo, it's like painting data success with passion.
Wizards, Seaborn from day 42 with file handling is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS.heatmap, CM, shows AI data from files, coding fireworks light up the screen.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances file data visualizations for AI. Try it in our challenge. It's like styling your data results with flair.
Wizards. Optimize file handling with statements for safety, error checking, and efficient reading-writing. Use pandas for CSV/JSON to ensure robust AI data management for top performance.
Optimized file handling so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI data storage irresistible. Practice for Day 53's error handling, Wizards, and keep those files sizzling with passion. Wizards, file handling's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It saves and loads data for models. Your Day 52 skills make AI irresistible. Handle files like pros.
File handling powers AI pipelines, Wizards. It enables data persistence for real projects. Your skills are ready for advanced AI. Prep for Day 53's error handling.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI file handling.py to fetch from JSON placeholder API. Write to CSV JSON, read, merge, preprocess with feature engineering, model with regression, evaluate with MSER2, and visualize with matplotlib. Run with Python 3 AI file handling.py and share on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling, Wizards. Try requests.get, pd.merge, linear regression, and plt.scatter. Show us your results at @DailyAIWizard. It's an AI file handling spell. Prep for Day 53's error handling.
Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your file handling skills. Your file handling demo.py and advanced file demo.pi prove your AI data handling superstars. Keep flirting with code for Day 53's error handling and get excited for more AI magic.
I'm so proud, Wizards. You've mastered file handling for AI, ensuring data persistence. Share your AI file handling.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for Day 53 and join our Discord or X. Code the future, Wizards.
You nailed file handling, Wizards. Your data's hot, Sophia. Get hyped for Day 53's error handling. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin' with more code.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. These demos were a blast, Ethan, and your file handling skills are fire. Share your AI_file_handling.py and subscribe for Day 53. Code the future, Wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, Wizards. Your file handling skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with basic statistics in Day 55. Keep coding sexy.